My parents are always bugging me about what I want to do with my life. But I don't even care about school.
Yeah, me too, but like here we have a lot of hands-on activities and interactive teaching. Like, we don't even have books for every class. This place isn't like other high schools.
You didn't like math because you didn't know how you would use it. You may have not liked science because you didn't see its potential. We're going to change that.
We want you to be authentic, to be creative, and to find your purpose.
We're going to help you figure out what you like and then how to use it in your future.
It's about problem solving, it's about working together, and it's about communicating.
You know, this school helped me see that there are a lot of options after graduation. Give it time, you'll figure it out.